In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a domain from your GoDaddy account. It's a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account, open up your preferred web browser, and navigate to www.godaddy.com. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in button, usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the section where all of your account's products are listed. To do this, look again to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Products. This will take you to a page listing all the products and services you have with GoDaddy, including domains. In the My Products section, you need to locate the domain you wish to delete. Scroll down the page until you reach the domain section, where you'll see a list of all the domain names associated with your account. Find the specific domain name you want to remove. Once you've found it, it's time to manage the domain settings. Next to the domain name you wish to delete, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Click on it. This action will take you to the domain settings page. This page is where you can manage various aspects of your domain, including making significant changes like deleting it. Now, to proceed with the deletion, scroll down to locate the additional settings section. Within this section, you should see the option Delete Domain. Click on this button, and a prompt will likely appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the domain. Make sure to confirm this request once you are sure you want to proceed. Sometimes, as an additional security measure, GoDaddy may send you a confirmation email to ensure that you've authorized the deletion. If this happens, open up your associated email account and look for a message from GoDaddy. When you find the email, there will be a link included that you'll need to click to finalize the domain deletion process. This extra step is crucial as it serves as a final verification that you indeed want to remove the domain from your account. Once you've clicked that confirmation link, the process is complete. The domain will be successfully removed from your GoDaddy account, and you'll no longer see it listed under your My Products section. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete a domain from your GoDaddy account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.